Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to read guitar tabs in the simplest way possible. Even if you have never played guitar before, don't worry, you will get this in just 2 minutes. So first, a guitar tab is like a map for your fingers. It shows you exactly where to press them on the fretboard. You will see 6 horizontal lines and each one represents strings on your guitar. The top line is your thinnest line, the first string, the high E, and the bottom line is your thickest string, the sixth string, the low E. Now, what about the numbers? The numbers tells you which fret to press on which string. For example, if you see a 0 on a line, that means play the string open and don't press anything. If you see a 1, press the first fret, a 3 means the third fret, and so on. Here's a quick example. You can see the tab on the screen. That means you play the first string open, press the first fret on the second string, and play the third string open. That's actually the top part of a C chord. You always read the tabs from left to right. If the numbers are in row, play them one after another, like a melody. If the numbers are stacked on the top of each other, play them all at once, like a chord. And that's it. Guitar tabs are just numbers on the line, no music theory, no confusing symbols, just a simple way to start playing your favorite songs right away. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Guitar Shorts Nepal. I'll be posting more short, clear lessons like this. Keep practicing and keep strumming. Thanks for watching.